how to find gender you're interested in, privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender you're interested in, privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click this one, profile information, and go down until you find birthday and click this pin here, and now just here you will find it, this icon here, click on it and manage anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.